Hey there, tech enthusiasts. In this video, I will show you the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2024. With technology advancing at an incredible pace, these robot vacuums are no longer just handy gadgets. They're essential household assistants. Before we jump into the rankings, let's quickly revisit why robot vacuums have become a must-have in many homes. They offer convenience, time savings, and efficient cleaning, all while adapting to various floor types. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is one of the smartest standalone robot vacuums you can buy. It uses a built-in camera and machine learning technology to recognize obstacles in its cleaning path and automatically reroute itself around them. iRobot has trained its precision vision navigation machine learning algorithms to identify phone cords, power cables, headphones, pet waste, shoes, clothing, and towels on the floor using hundreds of millions of images crowdsourced from its customers who have opted in to contribute to its database. When it encounters potential obstacles that aren't in its database, the J7 Plus snaps photos and asks you whether it should avoid those areas in the future. It only takes about a minute to review the obstacle images, and doing so can prove extremely useful. This method allows you to quickly and easily create keep-out zones around areas that typically halt cheaper robot vacuums. If you have a cluttered home or accident-prone pet and you're in the market for a standalone robot vacuum, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is the model to buy. iRobot is so confident in the robot's poop-evading abilities that it's offering it with a poop pet owner official promise guarantee. If the Roomba J7 Plus fails to avoid solid pet waste within a year of your purchase, the company will give you a new one for free. Also check out the combo model, which carries a $300 premium over the standard Roomba J7 Plus and adds one key feature: mopping support. Next up, at number 4, we have Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XLRV1001AE. These days, automatic dustbin emptying is becoming a standard robot vacuum feature. While most self-emptying robot vacuums transfer the contents of their bin into a bag, the Shark IQ Robot XL takes a different approach. It has 2 dustbins, one in the robot itself, and a larger one in the base station that only needs to be emptied about once a month. The advantage of Shark's bagless auto-empty system is that you never have to worry about running out of bags. The Shark IQ Robot XL also stands out for its self-cleaning brush roll, which in our testing successfully prevented hair from getting wrapped around it, a common problem with many robot vacuums. It delivered strong suction power, effectively cleaning dust, debris, and pet hair from hard flooring and carpet, and it never got stuck. It offers several useful smart features, including home mapping for targeted room cleaning and virtual no-go zones. Taking the 3rd spot is the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra. The Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra stands alongside the Ecovacs Dbot X2 Omni as one of the most hands-off floor cleaning robots on the market. Like the Omni, this high-end hybrid can do it all. It vacuums and mops your floors, then empties its dustbin, washes its mopping cloth, and refills its water tank, so it's always ready for the next run. With a maximum suction rating of 5,100 pascals, the S7 MaxV Ultra is among the most powerful models we've tested, too. It features Roborock's Vigorous mop lifting technology, which is also available on the more affordable S7 Plus to prevent carpet wetting on double-duty cleaning runs, though the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus S fully retractable mop works better. Finally, it's compatible with a $100 hot air dryer attachment that prevents bacteria and odors on the mopping pad, something you get standard with the X2 Omni. Now, let's talk about our runner-up, the Bissell SpinWave Wet and Dry Robotic Vacuum. Although Bissell has been making upright wet and dry vacuums for years, the SpinWave Wet and Dry is its first robot model that can do double duty. It works quickly and quietly, reliably sucking up pet hair and dust from hard floors and low-pile carpeting. Swap out the dustbin for a wet tank and the robot zips around hard floors, scrubbing them clean with its dual spinning mopping pads. Don't worry about carpeting and area rugs, though. This device automatically detects and avoids those floor types. We also like that Bissell offers several different cleaning solutions: multi-surface, pet multi-surface with Febreze, and sanitizing. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly hybrid that excels as a mop, the Bissell SpinWave Wet and Dry is a top choice. It lacks some features available on pricier models, including home mapping abilities, voice controls, and a self-emptying dustbin, but it offers better mopping performance than most other 2-in-1 robots in this price range because of its spinning microfiber pads and support for sanitizing and deodorizing cleaning solutions. We recommend this model for homes with pets or difficult-to-clean hard flooring. And finally, claiming the top spot is our number 1 Roborock Q5. The Roborock Q5 was one of the most thorough cleaners we tested, picking up more debris than some costlier models. It's one of the best navigators we've tried, able to map multiple levels of your home and remember a room's layout. This model's user-friendly app offers dozens of customizations, such as scheduling cleaning cycles, vacuuming specific rooms, and sending the bot back to places it may have missed. It also allows you to block off areas that you don't want to be cleaned. While Roborock's obstacle detection system isn't perfect, the Q5 avoided hurdles more effectively than the other robots we tested. It's also one of the quietest robots we've tried, which comes in handy if you have skittish pets or are easily distracted. That's all from my end. Our top 5 best robot vacuums in 2024. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.